Hello and welcome to the session. This session will focus on learning outcome 1. What does it really mean to engage learners in education? It's more than just keeping them busy. It's about involving them actively in their learning journey. Engaging learners means they are thinking, not just listening. They participate actively, not just attend. They apply knowledge, not just memorize it. They take responsibility for their own progress. Engaged learners understand, question, and retain information better. Engagement improves learning outcomes. It helps learners understand concepts deeply and retain information longer. Engaged learners perform better in assessments. They are motivated, attend regularly, and complete assignments on time. Engagement also supports different learning needs. Motivation is key to learner engagement. Motivated learners see the value of their studies. They commit to their learning and persist through challenges. Engagement creates interest and relevance. It supports inclusion and equality in education. Engagement strategies cater to diverse learning needs. Group work and visual materials provide multiple access points. Questioning and discussion encourage participation. Practical activities support varied learning preferences. This approach fosters an inclusive learning environment. Education should develop critical thinking. Engaged learners analyze, evaluate, and solve problems. They move beyond surface-level knowledge. Debate and real-life scenarios enhance understanding. Critical thinking is a crucial skill in education. Engagement builds confidence and independence. Learners ask questions and express opinions. They contribute ideas and reflect on progress. This confidence is essential for higher education. It prepares learners for employment challenges. An engaged classroom is interactive and respectful. Learners collaborate and focus on tasks. Engagement reduces disruptive behavior. It supports natural behavior management. A positive environment enhances learning experiences. Engaging learners meets professional standards. It improves retention and achievement rates. Engagement reduces dropout rates. It demonstrates effective teaching practices. Meeting these standards is a professional responsibility. Learner engagement requires active involvement. Activities should be set at the correct difficulty level. They must be motivating and interesting. Engagement is not accidental. It needs planning. This principle supports effective learning. Motivation can be intrinsic or extrinsic. Learners are motivated when they see relevance. Clear learning outcomes increase motivation. Real-world examples show the value of learning. Motivation leads to commitment and progress. Learning should be stimulating and challenging. Varied strategies maintain interest. Stretch involves deeper thinking and analysis. Learners evaluate theories in real scenarios. This approach increases engagement and understanding. Stretch and challenge promote progression. They involve extension tasks and higher-level questioning. Learners lead discussions and solve complex problems. This builds resilience and confidence. It prepares them for future challenges. Different approaches engage learners in various ways. Teacher-led methods are structured but risk passivity. Learner-centered strategies promote deeper understanding. Collaborative learning builds teamwork skills. Digital learning offers flexibility and access. The teacher-led approach delivers content directly. It is efficient for covering large information. However, it can lead to passive learning. Engagement relies on interaction and questioning. This approach suits introducing new concepts. Learner-centered approaches focus on the learner. Activities encourage responsibility and participation. This increases understanding and engagement. It requires careful planning and management. Some learners may struggle with independence. Collaborative learning involves group interaction. Learners share ideas and perspectives. It develops communication and teamwork skills. Group dynamics affect its effectiveness. Structured activities ensure equal participation. This approach connects theory to practice. It is effective in vocational education. However, it requires resources and planning. Structure is essential to prevent disengagement. Digital learning uses online tools for engagement. Blended learning combines digital and face-to-face methods. This increases flexibility and supports different styles. Engagement depends on digital literacy and access. In conclusion, engaging learners in education and training is essential for promoting active participation and effective learning. When learners are motivated and involved in the learning process, they are more likely to understand and retain information. Engagement also helps create a positive learning environment where learners feel encouraged to contribute and develop their skills. Teachers and trainers play an important role in using appropriate strategies and activities to maintain learner interest and participation. By actively engaging learners, education and training programs can achieve better learning outcomes and support learner success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688.